Yo, what is up YouTube? As you talk about the thumbnail, today I'll be installing some Boost Auto tow mirror lights, and these ones actually can work with your factory tow mirrors. So even if you didn't buy Boosted Auto's mirrors from them, you can still buy these separately and put these on your factory tow mirrors, which is awesome. So that's what I'll be doing today, and I'll be putting the smoke style. These are actually the same ones I have on my LOI. So we'll be dumping that amber ones, and then obviously with the smoked ones, and then the next thing will be to do my headlights. I'll see, I don't know what I want to do to eliminate the amber, but I'll do that project next, probably when I go to paint the front end. I'll color match red, and then I'll do the headlights while I'm there, and I think that'll tie in the whole front end of the truck, and they'll look really clean. So so I'm gonna get into this, and hopefully I don't break any mirrors. I'll let you guys know how it's going, so let's get to it. All right, so halfway through the first one, and it wasn't too bad popping the glass off. Like I said, just kind of, I started with the top one. Just make sure when you're lifting up on the glass, just to kind of get your hand up and push from the center, because if you try to just grab it from the corner, I think you'll break it. So so far I didn't break these two, so hopefully it goes smooth for the other side. But yeah, like I said, get your fingers in there as much as you can and just kind of push forward, and then once it starts to go, then it just pops off, and then just be careful, and then just unplug the wiring on the harness and everything. And then once they near the bottom, just kind of get in there. The bottom was a little stiff, but got in there and boom, came off. Same thing. So like I said, not too bad. Only took me maybe like 10 minutes, just trying to be careful. So yeah, it looks a hell of a lot better. Let me get the other side done. We'll see how it looks, you know, all complete and lit up. So let's get to it. All right, so got both sides done. Obviously the second side went a lot quicker once I knew what I was up against. And like I said, the main thing is just the mirrors themselves. Is you just have to be firm and just send it, because it's, you know, it's kind of intimidating thing. You're gonna break the mirror itself. But as long as you're careful and just kind of push in from the center, you should be okay. Like I said, both sides are done. It looks killer, nice and smoked when they're not on. And then let me hit the remote here. So boom, and then they're on. Obviously with the DRLs with the front, so I'll match. But I think once I paint the mirror cap, or the mirror cap's red, I think I'll tie it in and I'll match my LOI. I think it looks a lot better when, at least on this trim, when the mirror caps are red, or color match per se. And then like I said, once I do my front end, she'll look clean. And just a little pointer that I found out, when you go to put the mirrors back in, I actually slid them this way, so there, and then the bottom mirror is actually pretty easy. That one just snaps in, but the upper one, you actually kind of need to have it lined up, because once you take it off, you know what I'm talking about. There's 4 little tabs, and it's easy, or what I found is kind of line up the bottom one and then set it in, and you'll know once you're kind of true, and then push the mirror all the way back here, because it's kind of firm. So if you push the mirror all the way this way, then it allows you to kind of get some clamping force, and just boom, and snaps it in. So this, like I said, the second side went a lot quicker. That's what I was actually kind of finagling with, because I didn't want to break it on this side. So you know, like I said, I found once you line that up, and then boom, and then it kind of snaps. So you got to be firm, but just make sure, press the center. This main thing is get away from the corners, because that's where you're gonna you know, get it bound up and then probably break it. So always, if you're gonna be firm, just be firm in the center. So like I said, looks good. Stoked. Can't wait to paint the front end and do the mirror caps and everything, and get this thing all color matched and it'll look good. So hopefully that's next. I don't know, we'll see. But just stay tuned for the next video. I don't know if it'll be for this or the LOI, but I'll keep the videos coming. So thanks for watching. Peace out.